नमो नमः। अष्टमी कक्षा द्वादशः पाठः समानमस्तु भोजनम् means let our food be common. Students, all over the world people say that they make friends by breaking bread together. Sitting down to eat together makes people feel closer, especially when they share the same food. It develops trust, cooperation and make the group stronger. Young Krishna taught this important lesson to his friend, and it has relevance to us even today when we talk about national integration. So let us start 12th lesson Samanamastu Bhojanam. Balakrishnaः गोकुले गोपालनं करोति स्म. Balakrishnaः means young Krishna. Gokule gopalanam. Gopalanam means rearing of cows. Karoti sma means young Krishna used to look after the cows in Gokul. Pratidinam saha vayassehi saha vanam gacchati sma. Pratidinam means every day. Saha means he. Vanam means forest. Gacchati means goes. Pratidinam saha vayassehi saha vanam gacchati sma means every day he used to go to the forest with his friend. गोकुलस्थाः बालगोपालः वासुदेवेन सह असह्यं हिंडन्ते स्म. गोकुलस्थाः means residing in Gokul. बालगोपालः means young cowherd. वासुदेवेन सह, Vasudeva means Lord Krishna. Saha means with. Asayam hindante sma. Asayam means evening. Hindante sma means used to wander. The young cowherds used to wandering with Krishna till evening. मध्याह्ने ते सर्वे स्वगृहेभ्यः आनीतानि खाद्यवस्तूनि एकत्र उपविश्य खादन्ति स्म. मध्याह्ने means midday. ते means they. सर्वे means all. स्वगृहेभ्यः means own house. आनीतानि means brought. खाद्यवस्तूनि means eatables. एकत्र means together. Upavishya sitting. Khadanti eat means मध्याह्ने ते सर्वे स्वगृहेभ्यः आनीतानि खाद्यवस्तूनि एकत्र उपविश्य खादन्ति स्मः means at midday they used to eat the eatables brought from their house sitting together. Glossary. Gopalanam means rearing of cows. Pratidinam every day. Vayasse friends. Saha with. Vanam forest. Gacchati goes. Asayam till evening. Hindante sma used to wander. Madhyane at midday. Swagruhebhyah own houses. Khadyavastuni eatables. Upavishya sitting. Translation. Young Krishna used to look after the cows in Gokul. Every day he used to go to the forest with his friends. The young cowherds used to wander with Krishna till evening. At midday, they used to eat eatables brought from their houses, sitting together. एकस्मिन् दिने भोजनवेलायां सर्वे गोपाः कृष्णं परित उपविशन्. एकस्मिन् means one day. भोजनवेलायां means at the time of lunch. सर्वे all. गोपाः cowards. कृष्णं परितः around Krishna. Upavishan sat means one day all the cowherds sat around Krishna at the time of lunch. Devaki Nandana Gopabalan apruchat. Devaki Nandana means Lord Krishna. Gopabalan means cowherds. Apruchan means ask. Means Krishna asked them. Adya bhojanartham kim anita? Adya means today. Bhojanartham means for eating. Kim means what. Anitam means brought. Adya bhojanartham kim anitam? What have you brought today for eating? Tada prathamaha avadata. Then. Tada means then. Prathamaha means first one. अवदतः said. मम समीपे दध्योदनं वर्तते. Mama samipe, I have. Dadyodhanam means rice mixed with curd. Vartate. Tada prathamah avadata mama samipe dadyodhanam vartate. Then the first one said, I have rice mixed with curd. Aparaha abhashat. Aparaha means another. Abhashat means said. Mama samipe pruthukaha. Mama samipe means I have. Pruthukaha means rice flakes. Aparaha abhashat mama samipe pruthukaha. Then another said, I have rice flakes. एवमेव सर्वे अपुपाः लड्डुकाः वटकाः मोदकाः अनिताः इति अवदन्. एवमेव means in this way. Sarve all. Apupaha. Apupaha means flour cake. Laddukaha means sweetmeats. Modakaha modakaha. Vatakaha anitaha means brought. Iti avadana. Avadana means said. एवमेव सर्वे अपुपाः लड्डुकाः वटकाः मोदकाः अनिताः इति अवदन्. In this way, all of them said that they had brought flour cake, laddus, vatakas, modakas, etc. Glossary. एकस्मिन् दिने means one day. परितः around. अद्यः today. दध्योदनं rice mixed with curd. Aparaha another. Abhashat said. Pruthaka rice flakes. Apupa flour cakes. Vatakaha a kind of cake. Anitaha brought. Translation. One day all the cowherds sat around Krishna at a time of lunch. Krishna asked them, what have you brought today for eating? Then the first one said, I have rice mixed with curd. Another said, I have rice flakes. In this way, all of them said that they had brought flour cakes, laddus, vatakas, modakas, etc. तदा कृष्णः अवदत्, अयि मित्राणि, वयम् एतेषां खाद्यपदार्थानां मिश्रणं कुर्मः. तदा means then. कृष्णः अवदत् means Krishna said. Ayi mitrani means oh friend. Vayam means we all. Etesham means all these. Khadya padarthanam means eatables. Mishranam means mixture. Then Krishna said, friends, we will mix all these eatables. Sarve gopalaha anandena krishnaya swam swam khadyam ayachan. Sarve means all. Gopala means cowboys. Anandena means happily. Krishnaya. Krishnaya means to Krishna. Swam swam means own. Khadyam means things. Ayachan means gave. All the cowboys gave their own things to Krishna. Krishna swayameva padarthanam mishranam akarot. Krishna swayameva means himself. Padarthanam means eatables. Mishranam means mixture. Akarot. Krishna himself mixed all the eatables. Sarvebhyah cha tada mishranam paryaveshat. Sarvebhyah means to all. Cha tada mishranam means the mixture. Paryaveshayat means serve. He served the mixture to all. Tada apurvam swadishtam mishranam sarvebhyah ativa rochate. Tada means then. Apurvaha means unique. Swadishtam means tasty. Mishranam means mixture. Sarvebhyah means to all. Ativa rochate. Ativa means very. Rochate means like. All of them like the unique and most tasty mixture very much. यतः तस्मिन् मिश्रणे न केवलं खाद्यपदार्थाः अपितु स्नेहश्च मिश्रितः. यतः because तस्मिन् मिश्रणे in it मिश्रणे means mixture न केवलं not only खाद्यपदार्थाः means eatables अपितु स्नेहश्च मिश्रितः but also love. because in it not only the eatables were mixed but also love. तदा गोपनायकः बालकृष्णः अवदत्. तदा then गोपनायकः means leader of cowboys. बालकृष्णः young Krishna. अवदत् means said. इतः पर वयं सर्वे सम्मिल्य एव भोजनं कुर्मः. इतः परः means henceforth. इतः परं means henceforth. वयं means we all. सर्वे सम्मिल्य means together. एव भोजनं कुर्मः. तदा गोपनायकः बालकृष्णम् अवदत्. इतः परं वयं सर्वे सम्मिल्य एव भोजनं कुर्मः means henceforth we will have our food gathering together. अयि मित्राणि, ओ फ्रेंड्स, अस्माकं मनांसिं समानानि. अस्माकं मनांसिं समानानि means अस्माकं means our. मनांसि means mind. समानानि means similar. विचाराः समानाः. विचाराः means thought. समानाः means similar. भोजनम अपि means food also. समानमस्तु means similar. अयि मित्राणि, अस्माकं मनांसि समानानि, विचाराः समानाः, भोजनमपि समानमस्तु means friends, our mind are similar, thoughts are similar, so let our food also be similar. Glossary. मिश्रणं mixture. अरोचत like. गोपनायकः leader of the cowboys. समानानि similar. पर्यवेशयत् serve. स्नेहश्च love. मनांसि mind. विचाराः thoughts. Translation. Then Krishna said, friends, we will mix all these eatables. All the cowherds gave their own things to Krishna. Krishna himself mixed all the eatables. He served the mixture to all. All of them liked the unique and most tasty mixture very much, because in it not only the eatables were mixed but also love. Then the leader of the cowboys, young Krishna, said, henceforth we will have our food gathering together. Friends, our minds are similar, thoughts are similar, so let our food also be similar. So that's all for this part. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share the video so that others can learn. And also subscribe my channel to regular update about the course. धन्यवादः.